How to fix Samsung SSD not detected on MacBook. First, plug the Samsung SSD directly into the MacBook. Don't use a hub or dock. If possible, try another USB-C cable. Step 2. Open Disk Utility. Press the fan command and space, then press Disk Utility and then enter. Step 3. Click View and then Show all devices. Apple specifically recommends this view for seeing the complete external disk structure. Then fourth, look on the left. If Samsung SSD appears, select it and then mount if possible. If Samsung SSD doesn't appear, try another USB-C port and another cable. Apple specifically recommends checking the cable, connections, and power when an external disk isn't detected. And then fifth, if it's a Samsung T7 or T7 Shield or T7 Touch with password protection, Samsung's security settings can also be involved. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.